Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best shift knobs on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Mishimoto MMSK-BK weighted shift knob. Looking for the perfect factory upgrade? This universal shift gear from Mishimoto may be an excellent choice for you. As the name suggests, it's a weighted knob. It provides optimal performance, allowing you to shift between gears with ease. The aluminum exterior finish creates a smooth grip to enhance your driving experience. Additionally, the package comes with 3 adapters to ensure you get the perfect fit for your vehicle. You have the option of choosing between black and silver to complement your vehicle's interior. What we like: signature M logo for added flair. More than one color available. Lifetime warranty. Extra adapters to widen your scope. This trendy weighted knob is designed to offer a great grip and better gear engagement. It should work well on most Japanese vehicles, such as Honda, Toyota, and others. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dewhel Universal JDM Honda Acura 5-speed manual knob. This sharp-looking gear shift is designed to suit a wide range of Honda and Acura vehicles. It features Type R style design that provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to engage gears without exerting too much force. This shifter is made using high-quality aluminum, and the black finish gives it a sleek look. Additionally, the shift pattern is etched in red, increasing visibility and overall good looks. Race Auto Shift knob made of high-quality aluminum with black finish and red letters for a performance look. M10X 1.5 with adapter nuts for Honda and Acura cars. High-quality gear manual stick shift knob. What we like: comes in a wide range of colors. Type R style for better grip. Sleek finish. Owners of Honda and Acura cars can take advantage of this vehicle-specific shifter designed purposely for their vehicles. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dewhel Pokeball manual gear shift knob. Customizing your car is a way to show off your personality, so we believe our list needs at least one truly unique option. If you love Dragon Ball Z, what better way to show it than with a Dragon Ball Z shift knob? The company who offers this option, Dewhel, actually has a wide array of shift knob offerings. Make sure to check out the other variants it has to offer. But we're here to talk about the Dragon Ball Z shift knob, sporting a 54mm diameter and made from high-quality, durable acrylic. The knob itself is for M12X 1.25 fitments, but 3 copper adapters are included so the knob can be installed on M8X 1.25, M10X 1.25, and M10X 1.5 applications. That should cover the majority of cars available today. Even better, you can use this knob on certain automatic transmission vehicles, namely those that don't have push buttons on the stock shifter. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Izodorap transparent bubble shift knobs. The drifting scene has introduced all sorts of trends and styles to the tuning community, and for better or worse, one of those are longer shift knobs. These offerings from Izodorap are available in a variety of sizes and colors, ranging from 10 cm to 30 cm tall. They are manufactured from laser-cut acrylic plastic and include adapters to accommodate M8X 1.25, M10X 1.25, and M12X 1.25 fitments. These shift knobs feature a unique transparent, bubble-packed appearance, although you can also opt for a matte finish in a variety of colors. They'll also work on certain automatic transmission vehicles, so long as they don't have a push-button shifter from the factory. So if size matters to you, this recommendation lets you choose just how tall of a shift knob you really want in your car. Just don't blame us if you start hearing jokes about the size of your shift knob compensating for something else. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is MOMO Combat Evo Shift Knob. Another brand that you've likely heard of, or at the very least, seen the logo on race cars, MOMO. It's mostly known around the world for its interior accessories, including steering wheels, safety harnesses, and racing seats. The Italian company also has a wide range of shift knobs in its lineup, and this recommendation is ideal for drivers who want to add a splash of color to their interior. Choose from blue, carbon, chrome, red, or silver to either contrast or accent the rest of your interior. The majority of this knob is finished with top-grain leather, with the colored insert in the center made from high-grade plastic. Contrast stitching matches your color selection, resulting in a striking and attractive shift knob with universal appeal. It's subtle enough to appear like an OEM part, but has just enough customization so everyone knows it's not factory standard. This option weighs 177 grams and will fit shift levers between 8 mm to 15 mm in diameter. Since this is designed to be a universal knob, the installation process is a bit more complex than simply screwing it on. Fitment may also be an issue since this shift knob uses hex screws to tighten to your shifter. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.